Your car is about to get a serious upgrade with these 25 AI car gadgets that feel straight out of the future. Some are seriously mind-blowing, so let's jump in. VJoycar OBD2. Display. This tiny gadget can make your car's dashboard feel straight out of the future. The VJoycar OBD2 display puts real-time vehicle data right where you can see it, including speed, RPM, engine temperature, and more. It's a simple upgrade, but once you see all that live data in front of you, your stock dashboard might suddenly feel seriously outdated. PAIVIROKU battery jumper. A dead car battery can ruin your entire day, but this compact PAIVIROKU battery jumper is built to get you back on the road fast. Small enough to keep in your car, it's the kind of emergency gadget you'll be very glad to have when your engine suddenly refuses to start. M60 Slope Meter. Ever wonder if that surface is actually level? The M60 Slope Meter gives you a quick, easy way to check angles and slopes with precision. It's compact, simple, and incredibly useful for DIY projects, vehicles, construction, and everyday adjustments. One tiny tool that can save you from some seriously frustrating mistakes. Ottocast CarPlayClip adapter. Want wireless CarPlay without replacing your car's factory system? The Ottocast CarPlayClip adapter can turn a compatible wired setup into a cleaner wireless experience, giving your dashboard a modern upgrade without complicated installation. It's a tiny gadget that can make an older car feel surprisingly high-tech. Imagebon M11 Rearview camera. Your ordinary rearview mirror is about to look seriously outdated. The Imagebon M11 rearview camera gives your car a modern upgrade with a camera-based view that can make reversing and monitoring what's behind you much easier. It's the kind of small tech upgrade that can make everyday driving feel completely different. Lufi X1 Gauge. Want to see what your car is really doing under the hood? The Lufi X1 Gauge displays real-time data like speed, RPM, engine temperature, and fuel consumption, while also helping scan engine error codes. It's a tiny dashboard upgrade that gives you serious insight into your car's performance. Baseus GoTrip TC1 Sunshade. Tired of stepping into a car that feels like an oven? The Baseus GoTrip One Sunshade helps block harsh sunlight and heat before they turn your cabin into a sauna. It's a simple upgrade, but on a hot summer day, you'll wonder how you ever drove without it. Lamicall tablet mount. Turn your car into a mobile entertainment station with the Lamicall tablet mount. It keeps your tablet securely positioned for passengers, making long road trips, family drives, and backseat entertainment much easier. It's a simple little upgrade that could make your next road trip feel a whole lot more comfortable. Sailnovo Roof Cargo Bag. Running out of space in your car before a road trip? The Sailnovo Roof Cargo Bag gives you extra storage without taking up valuable cabin space. It's a practical way to carry luggage, camping gear, and travel essentials on the roof. Pack more, stress less, and hit the road ready for the adventure. SMINDER drying towels. Still dealing with water spots after washing your car? The SMINDER drying towels are designed to soak up water quickly and leave your vehicle looking clean and streak-free. They're soft, highly absorbent, and perfect for finishing off a wash. One simple detailing upgrade that can make your car look freshly polished. Restoration Kit. Got a car that's starting to look worn out? This restoration kit can help bring tired surfaces back to life, making old, faded areas look cleaner and refreshed. Gear Shift Sleeve. Want to give your car's interior a quick style upgrade? The Gear Shift sleeve adds a cleaner, more refined look while helping protect the original gear shifter from wear and scratches. It's a small detail, but sometimes the simplest upgrades can make your entire interior feel more premium. Light of Gestures. Control your car's lighting without constantly reaching for buttons. Light of Gestures brings a futuristic touch to your vehicle by letting you interact with lighting through simple hand gestures. It's a small upgrade, but once you see how effortless it feels, your old controls might seem seriously outdated. Wigoo Seat Cover. Traveling with a dog can get messy fast, but the Wigoo seat cover turns your back seat into a comfortable, protected space for your furry passenger. With a durable design and water-resistant material, it helps keep fur, dirt, and spills under control. It's the kind of car upgrade every pet owner will wish they had sooner. Push Trash Bin. Tired of wrappers, receipts, and small pieces of trash piling up inside your car? The Push Trash Bin gives you a compact, convenient place to keep everything contained and your cabin looking clean. It's a simple little gadget, but it can make a surprisingly big difference on every drive. AstroAI Tire Inflator. A flat tire can ruin your trip in minutes, but the AstroAI Tire Inflator can be a lifesaver when you need it most. This compact wireless inflator can reach up to 150 psi, automatically stop at your selected pressure, and even includes a flashlight and power bank. It's the gadget you hope you never need, but absolutely want in your car. Lamicall Magnetic Phone Mount. Tired of your phone sliding around or sitting in the wrong place while driving? The Lamicall Magnetic Phone Mount keeps your smartphone securely positioned and easy to access, giving your dashboard a cleaner, more organized setup. Tevlaphee Steering Wheel Lock. Want an extra layer of protection for your car? The Tevlaphee Steering Wheel Lock makes your vehicle harder to steal by physically preventing the steering wheel from being turned normally. It's simple, visible, and easy to use. And sometimes the best security upgrade is the one a thief can see before they even try. Fosmon Parking Guide. Ever wish your garage had a built-in parking assistant? The Fosmon Parking Guide uses adjustable laser beams to show you exactly where to stop, helping prevent bumps, scratches, and costly mistakes. It's a ridiculously simple gadget, but once you use it, parking your car in the perfect spot becomes almost effortless. Joyroom Transmitter. Still driving a car without built-in Bluetooth? The Joyroom Transmitter can give your old audio system a modern upgrade, letting you stream music, handle calls, and charge devices at the same time. It's a tiny gadget that can make an older car feel surprisingly high-tech without expensive modifications. AZDOME Dash Cam. Want extra eyes on the road? The AZDOME Dash Cam gives you a reliable way to record your drives and capture important moments when you need them most. From unexpected incidents to everyday road trips, it adds an extra layer of confidence behind the wheel. Because you never know when having a recording could save the day. Joyroom Charger Adapter. Tired of juggling cables every time you're on the road? The Joyroom Charger Adapter keeps your devices powered while helping reduce cable clutter inside your car. With multiple charging options in one compact design, it's a simple upgrade that makes everyday driving more convenient, organized, and tech-friendly. Pionray Universal Radio. Your old car radio doesn't have to stay stuck in the past. The Pionray Universal Radio brings modern features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a touchscreen, and support for a backup camera to your dashboard. It's an easy way to give an older vehicle a serious tech upgrade without making it feel like you're driving an outdated car. And that wraps up these 25 AI car gadgets that can seriously upgrade your driving experience in 2026. From smart safety tech to clever everyday accessories, there's something here for almost every driver. Which gadget would you actually put in your car? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more futuristic tech.